Hi guys, welcome back with a new exciting episode for today, and today we are going to make two dishes. One is going to be a mixed one pot Qeema Masala, and the second dish is going to be an achari sabzi, which is basically an Indian style vegetable mix, and we are going to serve it with some red lentil and rice risotto. So let's get started and I'll share the recipes with you now. So for this Bhuna Qeema recipe, you will need half kg of mince, either beef or lamb, whatever you like. In that you are going to take 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of ghee or liquefied butter, and you're going to add some fresh rosemary. Take around 4 tablespoons of brown fried onions. With that you are going to take 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. In that you are going to add 12 vine tomatoes or 2 to 3 big sized tomatoes. Take 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We are going to put it on the stove and we will let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, you will stir it so that there are no lumps in the mince. And in the end, we are going to add some garam masala, some zira powder, that is your cumin powder, and we are going to add some boiled potatoes. We are going to serve this with some lentil and rice risotto that I will show you shortly. So as our keema is done now, I'm going to finish it off by adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I have some boiled potatoes, so I'm going to add around 8 to 10 boiled potatoes. Mix everything together and your keema is ready to serve. Here we go guys, our Indian style mixed achari vegetables are ready to serve. Along with that, our one pot keema is also ready, and we are going to serve this with rice and lentil risotto. If you like my recipes, comment below, and for more interesting content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and goodbye.